When it comes to portable power banks, size really does matter. This power bank from RAV Power is larger than most, with a capacity of 26,800 milliamp hours. Today, I am taking a detailed look at this power bank from RAV Power. I'm going to talk you through the specs of this product and look at the pros and cons to help you decide if this is the power bank for you. I am the Before You Buy guy, and this channel is all about helping you as a consumer to make a more informed purchase decision. Let's get started. Opening up the box here, you'll see two little leaflets, a thank you card, and also a quick start guide. Underneath the two leaflets, there are two green boxes. The smaller box here contains a material pouch for the device. This is made of a soft foam-like material. Now, RAV Power does provide you with some cables with this power bank. You get one cable which is USB-C to USB-C. This cable is about 1 meter long. Now, there are two cables which is USB-A to micro USB. These two cables are two different sizes. The smaller cable is 27 centimeters long and the larger cable is 67 centimeters. The USB-C cable is round, whereas these micro USB cables are actually flat. Now, the larger box in your packaging contains your actual power bank device, which is here. At the front of the device, you've got the RAV Power logo in the middle on this side over here. In the bottom left corner, there are 4 indicator lights. These provide you with an indication of how much charge is remaining in the battery pack. When this device is really low on power, the last indicator light will flash on and off, letting you know to recharge your device. The product dimensions are 17 centimeters, which is 6.69 inches, by 8 centimeters, which is 3.14 inches, and about 2 centimeters or 0.78 of an inch. And the pack itself, without any cables, weighs around 466 grams. At the back of the device here, you'll find some detailed product information, and around this side, you'll find the input and output ports. From left to right, you've got one micro USB input port. This port is for charging the device only. The USB-C port here can be used as both an input or an output device. Next, you have two USB-A ports. Both of these ports can be used to charge your devices, and you can charge up to 3 devices at once using the power bank. The battery pack will be able to determine what type of device that you're using and then deliver the maximum safe charge for that particular device. The build quality of this device feels premium. It definitely doesn't feel cheap. The hard matte black plastic acts as a protective barrier in case you drop your power pack. The pack has curved, rounded edges. In my opinion, this makes the finish look quite premium. Now, this plastic outer shell is advertised to be scratch resistant, but if you want to keep your device as unscratched as possible for the longest period of time, it's recommended that you use the pouch that's provided with the pack. I was not that impressed with this foam pouch, to be honest. The battery pack only just fits inside the pouch, and you can't really properly close the pouch when the battery pack is inside. On the pouch that I have, some of the stitching was starting to come loose, and I've only had this for a few weeks. I do think that RAV Power could probably improve on the quality of the provided pouch that comes with this battery pack. One of the great features that this device can do is that it can charge 3 devices at the same time. I can charge my phone, a tablet, and a pair of headphones all at the same time with no problems at all. But the fact that you can charge all these devices at once makes it really convenient if you're needing to share this with other family members. According to RAV Power, this device can fully charge an iPhone 6s up to 10 times, the Samsung S6 6 times, and an iPad Air twice. Now, these devices are a little bit outdated. At least that could start to give you an idea of how much juice this device really has. It's much larger than a lot of other smaller power banks. When you're adding all that extra battery power, of course you're ending up with a larger brick. This particular power bank is probably getting a little bit too large to comfortably fit in your pocket. It should easily fit into a backpack or handbag. but it's definitely bigger than the typical pocket-sized power banks. It is always a compromise. A larger capacity device is going to take up much more space in your bag, but it's going to be able to charge your phone more times. Having a power pack this large might be more convenient than taking multiple smaller power packs. One of the features that this RAV Power power bank has that a lot of other chargers do not have is you can actually charge your devices while this power pack is being charged. This works when you're using either of these two USB-A out ports. As soon as you use USB-C as an output port, the device did seem to stop charging itself. Another thing that I do really like is the fact that you can use the USB-C port to both charge the power bank and charge your devices. Normally with a power bank like this, you'd have to leave this charging overnight. It takes a really long time to charge, but using USB-C is much faster, and you can charge this power bank from 0 to 100% as fast as 4.5 hours. And given the capacity of this pack, that is a really fast charge. Keep in mind that to charge at this speed, you would actually need a USB-C fast wall charger. I wanted to test how quickly this could charge my devices using the USB-C, and also compare this with the charge that I get from the USB-A to micro USB. The first device that I've got here is the Samsung Galaxy S Tab. Now this takes a micro USB. I've downloaded the Android app Ampere, which should tell me how fast this device is charging. The meter seems stable at around 500 to 600 milliamp hours, and that's using the micro USB cable. Next, I tried the USB-C cable with the LG G7 mobile phone. Now because this phone uses USB-C, I would expect this to be a little bit faster. This capped out at around 1000 milliamp hours. Now for the Galaxy S9 Plus, also using USB-C fast charging, this phone was able to be charged at a speed of around 1700 milliamps. Now based on these tests, it's clear that this battery pack can provide a really fast charge if your device can support it. Make sure your device actually supports the fast charging that you're trying to achieve. So here's a quick summary of this power bank. The main positives for the device are it's got a good build quality, fast charging, including USB-C. It's great that the USB-C port can be used as both input and an output port. And you can even charge your devices while the power pack is being charged. Just a few negatives for this power bank. The pouch that comes with the device is not very durable, and the quality could definitely be improved. There is no USB-C wall charger that ships with this device, and you really do need that in order to get the most out of your power pack. And this is both a negative and a positive, and that is that this device is large, it's big, it's very bulky, but for its size, it does have a very impressive capacity. I hope that you got some value from today's video. If you did, make sure hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because I've got a lot more tech reviews coming. You don't want to miss those, and I'll see you next time.